Hello friends, I welcome you all for our second tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the basic commands which you need for creating a sketch. As I have already told you that for creating a sketch, we have three planes. So you can select any plane depending on your requirement. So in this case, I am going to select front plane. So left click, then click normal to, then this plane will appear on the window. From the middle mouse button you can zoom it. Then these commands are available for creating the sketch. This is the line command. In line command you can create simple line. So this is the origin point. So it is showing a orange dot. It means that first point of the line will be the origin. So click left. So it is showing that first point is selected. Then you have to click left to complete the line. And you can see that there are two entities have been shown on the right side. First one is the dimension of the line in millimeter, and second one is the angle. So click right. So in this way your first line is created. Now again you can see that the second point of the first line is the first point of second line. So if you do not want that, then click right. Now that has gone. So if you want to undo it, then you can press Ctrl Z. So that will undo your command. Similarly, you can create center line by selecting this. In this way, center line is created. If you want to change the command, then you have to press escape button in your keyboard. So similarly, you have circle. There are two options. So select this, then click on first click, center is selected, and as you move your mouse, you can select the radius. And from escape button you can escape from that particular command. Then you can draw a rectangle. Again you have few options there. So let us select this first option, left click, so first point, and as you move your mouse, different dimensions are shown to you, and when you press left click again, then your rectangle will be complete. Then again escape. Then here you have this polygon command. From this command you can create a polygon. So this is a hexagon, and if you want to change the number of sides, then you can click here and you can select, say, if you want to draw pentagon, then select 5 and it has become pentagon. Similarly, there are two options. You want your polygon as an inscribed circle, means like this way, means circle is inscribed inside the polygon, and you can do it other way also. That means your polygon is circumscribed in the circle. In this way you can draw polygon. Then you can have spline. So for click one, click second point, and now according to the shape you can change it. In this way you can draw a spline. Then there is an option for ellipse. Left click, and on the second click radius is selected, and now you can select the eccentricity of the ellipse. So this completes your ellipse. Similarly, if you want to create a slot, now you can select this, left click, then another click. So this is the distance between the two slots, and again left click will create your straight slot. Then this is flat. So for flat you have to select the two perpendicular edges which you want to flat, and here you can see that flat is appearing. And when you click on OK, this flat is complete. So these are some of the commands which you can use. Now you can change the dimensions of these by using the straight dimension. Click. So as you click on a particular line, so dimension, it is showing the initial dimension. Now suppose you want to change it, then click again, and this window will appear, and you can change the dimension according to your requirements. So I type here 60, okay, and the length of this line becomes 60 millimeter. Similarly, I want to change the length of this rectangle, say 50, click OK. Similarly, this, say 35, click OK. Similarly, if you want to change the radius of dimension of this, means diameter of this, so you can say 80. It will change the diameter of this. Now suppose you want to fix the dimension with respect to the origin, then click on origin, click on a particular line. So this is showing the direction of this rectangle from origin in vertical direction. So you can change it, say 80. So your rectangle move in the upward direction. Similarly, you can change the horizontal direction also. So this is 80. Escape it. Suppose you want to change the horizontal dimension, then click on, and this is your horizontal dimension. Suppose you want to change it, say 40. So this will move your rectangle towards the right. So in this way you can change whatever dimension you like. So in this way we are going to create different sketches on different planes. In the next tutorial I will tell you the basic commands for creating a 3D sketch, and in the next tutorial we will talk about the uh, extrude command. So if you like our videos, then please subscribe and press bell icon for updates.